Okay, so NetBEUI, it's quite simply just a network protocol that allows two different computers that are on the same subnet to communicate with each other. However, said computers would have to be within the same network and/or subnet segment in order to communicate. And additionally, as depicted by the two images added onto my slide here, NetBEUI is compatible with the Windows OS and was designed by Microsoft and IBM.
What should I use? Why should I use NetBEUI? Well, the first reason is it has multiple IP methods of sharing, so it's basically more secure overall. So you don't have to just stick with one IP for your thing. So if that one gets hacked, you can just switch to another one. And it has separate LAN from the internet. So you have separated your LAN from the internet, but you have open ports or a place the computer outside of sharing servers, firewall, in order to use certain applications or services. So that basically means that it doesn't track where the internet is. It's basically outside, like in a hidden place, like a secret kind of thing. So you can share like secretly. Since Frank is not here, I'm going to have to read his slide. What is NetBIOS? NetBIOS is an acronym for Network Basic Input and Output System. Is a program. It provides services related to session layer of OSI model, allowing applications on separate computers to communicate over the local area network. As strictly an API, NetBIOS is not a working protocol. It's basically a definition of what NetBIOS is, and just all around it's yeah. We'll get to the questions and we'll ask you.
So basically, how do you find your NetBIOS name? Basically, you could one of the main ways that you can find it, and the simplest way is if you just right click on the domain name and you look at the properties, you'll be able to see your NetBIOS name as seen in the picture we have right here. Additionally, you can also use some commands from the command prompt to accomplish the same tasks. However, it's a lot more harder and complicated than just right clicking on your domain.
Okay.